In English, this word is pronounced, in British English in the UK, benignity. Let's break down the pronunciation. 4 syllables, B-nig-n-t. Stress on the second syllable in American English, benignity. In English, this word is pronounced, in British English in the UK, benignity. Let's break down the pronunciation. 4 syllables, B-nig-n-t. Stress on the second syllable in American English, benignity. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.